What's up, everybody? It's Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and starting this video off right outside of Performance Industries, so you can imagine why we must be modding a car today. Getting the wheels put on Fons SRT Durango. Yup, that same one that bust my ass. Do you remember? When this thing ran against my RT Durango and we showed just how much faster the SRT is than the RT? Crazy, right? Crazy. That SRT Durango is a beast. You should probably go back and watch the full video for all of it. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what these wheels look like. It's gonna be a fun video. I hope y'all ready. Woo, woo. Clean AF. Look at that. That's gonna be sexy on there, right? That's gonna look pretty sexy on a truck, I must say. That's pretty sweet right there. God damn. Test. We good?
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
It's tight, but it's weird.
So, this is what you call credit card clearance. But hey, as long as the swipe go through, right? It clears, that's all that matters. Before y'all jump in the comments and say, oh, the brake moves with ductility and the heat and the pressure. Nah, it's good. Trust me, I had that set up years ago on a Lexus of mine, so I know what's up. It look good though. Alright, y'all, so we about to go inside and go get Fons so you can see the car for the first time. Y'all saw it before him. Where is he? He went outside? Where's Fons? Where'd he go? Oh, he's out there. No, don't show it to him. Don't show it to him, Gene. I need his reaction. You're cheating. You're cheating. You looked at the video, Fons.
I only saw a little bit.
Yeah, you was about to lie and say you didn't see it at all. I'll tell you one thing. It sound good. All right, here he comes. All right, let's see Fons' face. He excited as hell. But it looked good though. It looked really good. It looks super aggressive now.
Yeah,
Doesn't it look?
The way they pop out.
Yeah, it looks aggressive, man.
Real good, man.
Yo, Fons. Yo, way to represent.
Absolutely.
For
My
the
pleasure.
M2Fers.
Absolutely. My pleasure.
Self-made is up in here. All
Yeah.
that performance, all done right now.
Self-made Odor Works. We're going over there next to put the finishing touches on it now.
A little more accents?
A little more accents.
All right. Since we did the video last, tell them what all you did to the truck since we did the video last.
Since the last video a few months ago, put Mopar performance springs on there.
Nice. How do you like them?
I like them a lot. They lowered it an inch on all four corners.
Right.
It rides a little stiffer, but only on certain modes, on sport and track. But other than that, you can barely feel the difference.
So now you're dropped wheels, but drop factory components.
Yes, yeah, with the Mopar springs.
It looks good with the lowering. It's not too much, it's just a little.
Right, added just enough to it. Added just enough. Because I still wanted to maintain the functionality of the car, you know, daily driving it during the winter and things like that. So
okay. All right, well, y'all see it, man. He looking good, pulling up crazy. And that's the man himself right there that put it all together. Stop hiding.
I'm tired, man.
Stop hiding. I know it's Friday. You look like you got beat up from the week.
I did get beat up this week.
It's a tough one this week, huh?
I'm still
Hey, is it y'all fault? Y'all calling Mario and bothering him? Mario.
It is your fault, actually.
What's your phone number, Mario? Here.
5555.
No, he's not telling y'all the number. Oh man, but seriously, guys, look about Performance Industries. They do some killer work, all in all, man. Nice setups.